class. In this video, I'm going to review how to rename your files within your Lightroom library. First, you have to be in your library module, as we see here on my screen, and go to the place where you would like to rename your files. In this case, I am in this collection called Test, which is located on the left-hand column. And you can rename files in a collection, or you can rename them in the folders. Either way, they will actually physically rename those files when you do these set of commands. So right now I'm in the test collection. There's 4 files in here, and I would like to rename all of them. So I need to select them all. On the Mac, it's Command A. On Windows, it is Control A, or you can use the menu option by clicking on the Edit and doing picking the Select All option here. That will select all of the files in your view wherever you are located, and it'll only rename the files that are highlighted. So if you only have one that was selected, like say this one, and you're thinking you selected everything but only one was highlighted, it'll only rename that. So I'm going to do a Command A to make sure everything is selected. Then I go to the menu. Under Library, on the menu, there is a option that says Rename Photos. So I'm going to scroll there, zoom in there, and click on that, and you're going to be prompted with this dialog box asking you if there's any kind of preset that you'd like to select, or you can click on that file naming drop box and click on Edit. It'll take you into this file name template editor, and in this text area I want you to delete everything in there, and we're going to start from scratch and create our own template. In this case, let's say I wanted to submit these for an assignment, so I want to give it the standard naming convention. For assignments, it's going to be starting with an A as an assignment, and it'll be the assignment number next to it. So let's say it's assignment 1, so it'll be A01, and then underscore your last name, underscore first initial, and then leave another underscore after your first initial, so that way we would place the sequence number after that. To place a sequence number, go under the sequence and date section here, and when you click on the sequence, it'll give you all these different options on how many digits you would like for your sequence number. I like to use at least the 3-digit sequence number, so it's sequence hashtag 001. I'm going to select that one, and then make sure your cursor is next to that extra underscore, which is next to your first initial, and it's blinking. Then click on the insert, and you will see that it did place the sequence hashtag 001 format right there. So if you look at the example, it's going to name the file A01 Patugan underscore R underscore 001, and every single file will have that format. I'm going to go ahead and hit done, and then you have an option to start with a different number. If you're doing these set of commands, renaming a subset of images that don't start with number 1, you can always enter the number that you would like to start off with. But in this case, I just want to start with 1. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and all of these files have now been renamed accordingly. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And that is it.